Hi Rochester Elementary students. I have a fun experiment that you can do at home. This book, Lucy and Annie Neanderthal, The Stone Cold Age, is the inspiration for this experiment. This book is written by the 4th and 5th grade author in April, Jeffrey Brown. In the story, Lucy and Annie lived 40,000 years ago during the Ice Age. They were surrounded by ice. Let's see what kind of fun we can have with ice. Here's what you're going to need. A drinking glass. Some cold water, make sure it's nice and cold. We got some ice cubes in the bowl. We got a little bit of salt into this little bowl here. And a piece of string or some yarn. Let's start by adding some cold water into the glass. Make sure you're filled up almost all the way, that makes it a little bit easier. And then we're going to add a few ice cubes in here. Maybe a couple more. What do you think will happen when we lay our string across the ice cube? Do you think we can pick it up with a string? Take a guess. Pause the video and give it a try. No, we cannot pick up the ice cube. But what will happen if we add some salt across the string on the ice cube and wait a couple minutes? Let's see. So I think what you want to do is you want to find a flat part of the ice cube and make sure the string is on the ice cube itself, and then you want to add some salt a little bit here just to kind of make sure it's covering it like so. And now just wait for about a minute and it should work. Make a prediction. Do you think you'll be able to pick up the ice cube with the string? Pause the video and give it a try yourself. See you back here in a minute. Yes, watch this. Oh, hey! Nice. Why does this happen? First, the ice around the string melts when you sprinkle it with salt. Then the string freezes to the ice cube. When you sprinkle salt over the ice, it melts the top layer of the ice into a thin layer of water. Because salt water freezes at a lower temperature than pure water, adding the salt makes some of the ice melt and absorb heat in the process. The area around it thereby cools and freezes water molecules to the ice cube, also freezing the string onto the cube. And so when we picked up the string, it was frozen to the ice cube. Maybe the characters Lucy and Andy spent their days doing tricks like this with ice. I mean, they had a whole bunch of ice around them, they probably did something cool. Have fun showing this cool science experiment to your family, and when you get a chance, pick up this book, Lucy and Andy Neanderthal, and have some fun reading about their adventures.
Water! Ice! More water! Salt! And this little tray thing.
Now I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle it across here. Be generous, you know, don't be stingy with it.
No, you're only supposed to do a little bit, not a ton.
Be generous!
Yes! Watch this. Ta-da! Why did this happen? So, number one, I didn't use flex tape. And with the power of flex tape, so and have some fun reading about their adventures. Yes!